Yeah, I haven't saved in a while.
Well, that was odd. The air's different here, isn't it?
Compared to Midgard, very different indeed.
Though perhaps a little sharp for my taste.
Not bad. Time for a little reconnaissance.
Check it out. So cool. Yeah, she's a good boy. Show us the friends.
Ever see that Faz guy again?
No, but there are times when I think I do, and I freeze up till I realize it's someone else.
I bet. I'm here if you want to talk.
Well, actually, I was kind of hoping we could talk business.
What kind of business?
You know, business. Boys.
Oh, that kind.
Shh.
It's me.
Meeting adjourned for now. So how's it looking up top?
All the robes are in second class. Haven't seen any sign of Shinra, though. We can ditch the uniforms.
Aw. Well, it's been an honor, Captain.
Captain?
Hey, about this deal Rufus wanted to make with you. I know it's off, thanks to little Miss Ninja's stunt, but personally, I think she did us a favor. Nothing good ever came from making deals with the devil. Shinra can't be trusted, no matter who's in charge.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. Good evening, and welcome aboard the Shinra 8. We're sailing smoothly towards Costa del Sol and expect to arrive right on schedule. Though your time with us may be brief, we wish you all a pleasant voyage. As for this evening's onboard entertainment, we will be holding a Queen's Blood tournament in the lounge. Any and all interested guests are welcome to join regardless of experience. See the lounge staff for details.
You heard the man. To the lounge.
Come on.
No, I don't want to play this stupid fucking game.
Attention passengers. The Queen's Blood tournament will be starting shortly. This is your last chance to sign up. The winner of today's competition will take ashore a trophy, as well as a fabulous prize. No cards of your own? No problem. Decks are available for rental, so come and join in the fun.
So, you playing?
I might.
Then I might see you around.
You're getting in on this too?
Solely as a means to study human leisure activities. Now, if you'll excuse me.
Sign up for the Queen's
My
Blood
apologies,
tournament over here.
sir, but I'm afraid animals are not allowed to participate.
What? I'm no mere animal, thank you.
You're pretty good at this game, huh?
I guess.
Good enough to beat me, though? I guess we'll find out.
If you play, I'll be sure to cheer you on.
A little friendly competition could be fun. And who knows, one of us might win it all.
Yeah, right.
Well, you won't go far with that attitude, oh ye of zero faith. Ah, now's my chance. I'll be right back.
If you play, I'll be sure
Speak
to
with
cheer
your
you
manager.
You joining?
Hell yeah, I am. Fabulous prize, here I come.
Cool. But maybe change first.
Out of this? Nah, I'm starting to dig it. Tell me I don't look good. Like I was born of the bride.
Now's your chance.
Let's do this.
Here to sign up for our Queen's Blood tournament.
If I have to.
So, who should I say is competing?
Cloud Strife.
All right, Mr. Strife. Do you have your own cards?
Yep.
Well, you're all set to join. Good luck, and have a great time today.
I hate when they make you do
Welcome
these stupid things
to the
to
Shinra 8's Queen's Blood Tournament.
progress the fucking story.
Only one of our card battlers will walk away with the trophy and the glory in today's competition. But who will it be? I, Titov, will be your host for this spectacular event as we seek to crown our next Queen's Blood champion. Every journey begins with a single step. So put your best foot forward and seek out your first competitor. Let's see how today's brave competitors are faring. Don't let Regina's small stature fool you. She's as tough as they come. As for our second pair, it doesn't look like this boy wonder's hot streak is close to fading. Ouch! A tough loss for Barrett. Let's hope his ego is less
Welcome.
bruised than his
If you're
record
looking
after
for
that
cards,
one.
we've got you covered.
Moving on to our third bout. The astounding Andrea Rodea is once again winning in style. Madam M is not
Best of
pleased
luck
with this
today.
match. And what about our fourth match? Chico is on the verge of victory. Can she bring it home? Aerith is in trouble. Will she survive? That covers the singles competition for now. But this is still anyone's tournament to win. And I mean anyone.
You think we were down in the hole?
You got this! Don't give up!
Oh, hey, dude. You my next opponent? Name's Felix. This
Sure.
is gonna be totally sick. Everything cool? You seem a little tense. Just remember, it's only a game.
Just shut up and play.
Okay, dude. If that's how you roll, it's all good. Ready, set, let's do this thing.
I'm ready when you are.
Wait, so, which do I lead with?
I mean, we can definitely become friends on PSN.
And
Just
there's more where that came from.
send me your info or whatever, and I'll add you.
Bring it.
keeps the hits coming as he maintains a solid
Once
advantage.
I'm done streaming, obviously.
Decorum be damned, folks. Felix is taunting his opponent.
No holding back.
Do I want to use this or this?
Decorum be damned, folks. Felix is taunting his opponent.
Okay.
You're mine.
Whoa, I'm winning!
Can still pull this off.
I really don't like.
No holding back.
This stupid card game.
Cloud's future in this competition is looking pretty grim. Decorum be damned, folks. Felix is taunting his opponent.
Bring it.
Dude, am I like actually good at this?
I think that smug smile on Felix's face says it all.
You're mine.
Cloud is cool and composed. His focus unmatched.
No holding back.
Cloud's opponent had better watch out. He's hungry like the wolf for victory.
Did I finally win one? Hey, I finally won. I'm just like horrible at this.
Oh well, I lost. Guess I should have learned the rules first.
And Cloud takes it. He's moving up, but will he make it all the way to the top? Don't forget to report your results to tournament staff so we can make that last match official. It's time for a recap of this round's
You aren't
matches.
planning on dropping out
Let's
of the
see how our
tournament,
competitors
are you?
performed. We'll start with our first pair.
That's the
Regina
spirit.
gets
No.
herself
I know
a
you can do
solid
it.
win, living up to her prodigious reputation.
Well done. Let's hope round 1 is the first of many wins. Keep up the good work in round 2.
Round 1 is over and done. Without further ado, let's proceed to round 2. It looks like Cloud is on the prowl for an opponent to challenge. Who will he choose?
You hold your own?
Hope you didn't have your heart set on winning big tonight, because I'm going to whoop your ass.
Ha. That's a good one.
You won't be laughing when I'm done with you. Now draw.
Damn, I've been streaming for 5 hours already.
I'm ready when you are.
All right, it's on.
Barrett is taking no prisoners in today's competition.
You're mine.
Cloud keeps the hits coming as he maintains a solid advantage.
No holding back.
Cloud is cool and composed. His focus unmatched. The tide of battle is turning in Barrett's favor.
Bring it.
Cloud's gonna need to up his game if he wants to survive.
Watch out, because Barrett's coming for you, all guns blazing.
I'm just getting warmed up. You're mine.
A masterful play from Cloud. Can his opponent recover?
Bam, son. You're going down.
Barrett is taking no prisoners in today's competition.
Bring it.
I'm going to turn this around. You see if I don't.
Okay. Gotta turn this around somehow. No holding back.
Cloud isn't letting up the pressure one bit.
Watch out, because Barrett's coming for you, all guns blazing.
That's the way. Bring it.
Marlene, Daddy could use your help right about now.
Ooh, I've got a feeling Barrett might need to gracefully accept defeat.
I got this. No problem.
Yay, won another one.
That's the match. It's looking like Cloud could be the dark horse in today's tourney. Today's tournament is shaping up to be one for the books. We'll start with our first pair. It's small wonder Regina's the talk of the tournament. Your game is up.
Well, fancy meeting you here, Cloud.
Hey,
Relax. I'm only in the mood for cards. I promise not to make you dance again.
cool.
Unless you lose, then all bets are off.
I'm ready when you are.
Let's give these good people a show.
Andrea is the picture of confidence and swagger.
No holding back.
Cloud keeps the hits coming as he maintains a solid advantage.
It's mano a mano, just you and I.
And there's more where that came from. Bring it.
You can do better than that. I shall be graceful in victory.
I'm just getting warmed up. You're mine.
Cloud is cool and composed. His focus unmatched. Andrea is the picture of confidence and swagger. Cloud keeps the hits coming as he maintains a solid advantage.
It's mano a mano, just you and I.
Andrea knows how to captivate his audience and his opponent. Cloud's opponent had better watch out. He's hungry like a wolf for victory.
I shall be graceful in victory.
Andrea's fallen behind, but he may still have a trick or two up his sleeve.
Bring it.
You do know how to show me a good time. It's mano a mano, just you and I.
No holding back.
Cloud isn't letting up the pressure one bit.
That's the way.
You do know how to show me a good time.
About time, Jesus Christ.
I must say, you have a gift, Cloud. Be it at the card table or on the dance floor, you excel. You're a star, darling. Keep on shining.
Cloud, would you like to play a match with me?
You're in this too?
Correct. I was told that a sophisticated AI was competing today. I just had to see it in action.
You feeling threatened?
Oh no, not in the least. Though if anyone were to feel threatened, it really ought to be you.
Someone's feeling confident.
Quite confident. Well, Cloud, let's throw down, as they say.
I'm ready when you are.
Let's throw down, as they say.
And there's more where that came from. You're mine.
Cloud keeps the hits coming as he maintains a solid advantage. It should come as no surprise that Chadley is projected to win.
Bring it.
Cloud is cool and composed. His focus unmatched.
Opponent's heart rate indicates fight or flight response.
Chadley's play has been flawless. Can he keep it up?
No holding back.
As predicted, I hold the advantage.
Still pull this off. You're mine.
Cloud's gonna need to up his game if he wants to survive.
Opponent's heart rate indicates fight or flight response.
Chadley's play has been flawless. Can he keep it up? Cloud's opponent had better watch out. He's hungry like a wolf for victory. Every move Chadley's made has been perfectly calculated.
No holding back.
These are favorable conditions.
Not looking good. Bring it.
Current projections show my victory is all but assured.
You're mine.
Opponent exceeding initial projections.
A rare misstep.
Holy shit, did I beat him in one go?
Nicely done, Cloud. That was quite the match, I must say. I'm looking forward to you winning it all.
Congratulations on making it to the finals. Allow me to escort you to the next match. Right this way, sir.
However, is formidable. Can he steal the title from this fearless prodigy? Gina reigns supreme. Let's find out in our final round.
I want to see you kick some ass.
You got this. Everyone needs to go. You can do this.
Don't let anyone stop you, Cloud.
You show him who's boss, all right?
Come on, Cloud. Come on, Cloud. I want to see
Best
you
of luck
kick
to you in
some
the next
ass.
round.
So you're the one to beat.
The one to lose to. Regina Conigan, Queen of Cards and reigning champion.
Until now.
Aw, that's cute. Word of warning, I'm not just gonna beat you, I'm gonna destroy you.
We'll see about that.
Everyone always says stuff like that. We'll see indeed.